Let us look at all the options in libraries that we have in TiaraCAD. Using these 14 options, we have more than 840 components readily available in the library. Starting with curves, you can sort the files and they will get loaded. These are ready curves which we have created for you. Alternatively, you can also go create a curve of your own choice and say save it. Select a curve, select the point of origin on the curve, and you can save it with the name of your choice. Likewise, if you also go and search, so if I say comfort fit, search, and you will be able to see the comfort fit options. These were curves. We also have ear posts, different types, butterfly, screws, hoops, posts, kidney wires, omega, hook, so on, which you can use. These can be used for actual creation or just for rendering purposes. Likewise, we also have clasps, hooks, clasps, GB boxes, lobster clasps, pin and clip, so on. We have created a couple of jump rings just for simplicity's sake, just to use right click, import, and it will be ready for use. That likewise, it could be illusion settings. There are 500 plus motifs that we have created for you. Observe the motifs loading is taking a long time because they are so many. What we have done is to ensure that they are bare minimum, that is less than 1 mm in height. So you can then scale it as per your requirement. These are all created using subdivisional modeling techniques. You can use it as is or you can modify it to your requirements. We have chain components plus box chain, curved chain, Cuban chain, elongated curved chain, herring bone, a lot more. Please go through each one of them. A few chain tags, a few chain caps, a money clip, a few beads. For example, if I say a decorative bead like this, which can be used, you can modify it if you wish to. Simple as well as decorative ones like this. We have a few design stands that you can use for presentation. So it could be a full necklace stand, or it could be a simple stand like this, or for the ring, or a bangle stand that you can use. For creating surface patterns, we have two types. We have curves and solids. We also have created a few cutters which may be different from what we use in our regular scenario. These are 1 mm diamond cutters. For example, this particular cutter has a girdle thickness. So if that is what you require, you can always create your own cutter and save it, and that can be used as a custom cutter in any one of the settings. So likewise, we have created more than 840 objects for you in components, and you can add to your library as needed. You can go to collections, go to import folder, choose a particular folder of your choice, and those designs will be seen if that makes it easier for you to work with. So you can right click and import them. You can also search for the files and so on.